Chinmaya, 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 Dhun Dhun Dhun. Chinmaya, 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 Dhun Dhun Dhun. Dhun 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 Dhun. Dhun 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 Dhun. Chinmaya, Chinmaya, Chinmaya. The pulse of Chinmaya.
The pulse of Chinmaya. Chinmaya Dhun. The pulse of Chinmaya.
Hariom. Education is the shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents, wherein the collaboration of the three build the future of the child as a strong individual. Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kolari is indeed privileged to have our ardent supportive parents, our brand ambassadors, who always contribute their valuable suggestions for the welfare of the institution. Now, let us lend our ears to a few of our students' parents as they express their heartfelt thoughts about our Vidyalaya.
Chinmaya School, one of the schools in India that belong to a chain with a history related to royalty and spiritualism. It was by no mistake that we came upon Chinmaya School Colliery for the admission of our son, Gaurav Menon. He is presently in class 10B. With a strong and acclaimed alumni, progressive yet embedded with deep-rooted culture, we couldn't have asked for a better choice of school that imparted quality learning and curated by a team of skilled teachers. An overnight transition from the traditional to the competent technical mode of education did not dampen the spirits of his teachers. They continue teaching with a new and effective structure. Patience has been tested, working hours extended, new investments were made towards better net connections. All these only to ensure that children as my son could continue to acquire the best education. It has indeed been a pleasure to be a part of the Chinmaya family colliery, and I extend my wholehearted gratitude to each and every teacher who has been an educational stalwart in her own domain. Thank you.
ചിന്മയ വിദ്യാലയത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയുമ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ ആദ്യം വരുന്നത് 10 വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് മുൻപ് എൻ്റെ 2 മക്കളെയും കൊണ്ട് ആ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് അഡ്മിഷന് പോയതാണ്. ചെന്ന് കയറുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ആദ്യം ശ്രദ്ധയിൽപ്പെടുന്നത് ആ സരസ്വതി മന്ദിരമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ആ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ കൾച്ചറൽ മാഹാത്മ്യം. അത് ശരിയാണെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കുന്ന തരത്തിൽ തന്നെയായിരുന്നു അന്നത്തെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലായിരുന്ന ശ്രീമതി ശോഭന ദേവദാസിൻ്റെ നമ്മളോടുള്ള പെരുമാറ്റം. പഠിച്ച് നല്ല മാർക്ക് നേടാൻ മാത്രമല്ല വിദ്യാലയം നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, അതോടൊപ്പം സമൂഹത്തിൽ നല്ല വ്യക്തികളാകാൻ കൂടി അവർ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ടീച്ചർമാരുടെ സ്നേഹവും കരുതലും പറയാതിരിക്കാൻ വയ്യ. എൻ്റെ മൂത്ത മകൾക്ക് ചിന്മയ സ്കൂളിനെ പറ്റി പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോഴും 100 നാവാണ്. സ്വന്തം മക്കളെ പോലെയാണ് അവർ കുട്ടികളോട് പെരുമാറുന്നത്. കുട്ടികളുടെ സ്ട്രെങ്ത്തും വീക്ക്നെസ്സും അറിഞ്ഞ് അവരെ മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ അവർ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. പഠിക്കാൻ പിന്നോക്കമായ കുട്ടികളെ അവർ ചേർത്ത് പിടിച്ച് കരുതലോടുകൂടി അവരുടെ സംശയങ്ങൾ തീർത്തു കൊടുക്കുന്ന സഹായിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒരമ്മ തൻ്റെ മക്കളെ ചേർത്ത് പിടിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതാണ് എൻ്റെ അനുഭവം.
Good evening. My name is Neeraj Kumar. My daughter Gauri Lakshmi is a 10th standard student at Chinmaya Vidyalaya College, Thrissur. While observing her curriculum right from kindergarten to 10th standard, presently she is at 10th standard at Chinmaya Vidyalaya, I found a couple of areas which makes me very impressed. The first one was the faculties. The kind of attention, care and supportive attitude of the faculties molding the students were excellent, and they've been given personal care to each and every student. Another area was the opportunities given to these kids in extracurricular activities. Along with the academics, in a balanced way, they will manage to give an opportunity to these kids to perform in different arenas. For an example, like NSO or Green Olympiad, whether it is in arts or sports. See, which makes a student or frame a student and makes them into a perfect person and influence their personalities. These are the two areas which impressed me a lot while observing her curriculum at Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hari Om. Good morning all. I am recording this video and sharing to inform you some certain qualities of our Chinmaya Vidyalaya, which I thought it is my prime responsibility to share to everybody. My son Devadatt Babu is studying in standard 12D in Chinmaya Vidyalaya. He is a student since LKG, and even my elder son was also has also studied in Chinmaya Vidyalaya. So some remarkable points which I would like to share with you is that the number one quality what I have noticed is that the very well organized, structured teaching mechanism followed by the staff, teachers, principal, everybody. That the care, individual attention, care given to each student is really remarkable. Plus, to add on to that, it's a very well disciplined school with all amenities like school bus facilities are there, computer science lab, mathematics lab, and science lab. All facilities are there with a plus moreover having a very good library. So all facilities and all privileges are there to the children, and even the teachers are contactable at any time by the parents. There are so many schools which I have seen that there are specific timings. Only during those timings parents can contact the teachers and talk to them. Here there is nothing like that. During any time except during the class hours, teachers can be contacted, and whatever we suggest or whatever we inquire, we get a very positive note with a smiling face. These are the best qualities what I have seen with Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Even my son, elder son, has passed from Chinmaya Vidyalaya 12 years back, and even now they are recognized by him by his name, which is an excellent quality, because even we cannot remember our immediate relatives or friends' names when we meet them, but these teachers, whenever they see them, they call by name and ask for general personal details and all. Most of the teachers are updated with the personal details of their old students. So many qualities I have noticed. So I just thought I must share this because each parent will be having the same opinion like me. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Hari Om. Wishing a good day ahead. Thank you.
Online classes is a new platform for both students and teachers. But with all patience and dedication, our teachers at Chinmaya Vidyalaya are playing a great role at this point of time. We know the situation of our teachers, what they are going through. It's really appreciable for putting their effort to make the students to understand the concept. Also, even at this pandemic situation, they are providing a virtual platform to their students to show their talent through various competitions. Hats off to all the teachers of Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Thank you.
Once again, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teachers, especially of Standard 10th, from the bottom of my heart for their sincere, dedicated hard work and their patience and true love for their students. May the blessings of Pujya Gurudev and the Almighty be with you all. And my sincere advice to you all students, believe yourself, believe in God, believe your teachers. Success will be yours. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Ramya Krishna Kumar, mother of C.P. Gautam Krishna of class 12C. Today, it's my pleasure to provide you my opinion regarding online classes. As we all know that we are all passing through the hectic days of COVID-19, its lockdown procedure and thereby starting of online classes. At first, to the extent of my knowledge, it is little bit difficult for the teachers for the implementation of online classes and for the students to assimilate it. Anyway, we should salute and congratulate our teachers for making themselves prepare for the online classes within a short period of time and for doing their best endeavor for imparting the knowledge among their students. Even now, some children, they prefer classroom teaching, that is a traditional way of teaching. Moreover, they are missing their school environment, their teachers, their friends, and all the competitions and entertainment at school, everything they are missing. Well, anyway, all new methods have its own merits and demerits, and let us hope this new way of teaching will benefit its worthy, and slowly all will cope up with this new way of teaching very well. Once again, myself, thank you to our teachers for making this online classes fruitful.
Vidyalaya, a Vidyalaya with a difference, has carved an honorable position in the field of education. The policy of Vidyalaya is to offer the child a value-based and holistic education. The Vidyalaya excel not only in academics but also in co-curricular activities. The campus is green and beautiful with various medicinal plants, and the Vidyalaya has to its credit a vegetable garden that has brought state-level recognition. As a parent, I am aware about the facilities provided by the authorities such as spacious classroom, equipped lab, good library, digital classroom, international standard basketball court, a spacious playground and auditorium. In CBSE National Football Tournament held at Haryana in the year 2020, the team became the first runners-up in the under-19 category. This academic year is of a totally different type. Perhaps none of us has never realized that we will be facing a pandemic, which will pose so much challenges in our lives. The pandemic forcing the teaching and learning process to the online mode, the education system has faced an upheaval like never before. It is commendable how Chinmaya Vidyalaya rise to the occasion and move to virtual classroom. During this hardship, school authorities managed to conduct webinars on career guidance and mental health by Dr. Anju, psychologist of Elite Hospital, to make the situation bearable for the children. As a parent, I feel that in such a situation, teachers, authorities, and supporting staff are putting a lot of effort to conduct the classes smoothly. They are imparting knowledge to children in an appreciable way. They are dedicated and well prepared. I express my gratitude to everyone who was behind this virtuous vision and never letting our children down.
The key to a child's success depends upon the positive involvement of the parent and the broad vision of the institution. Together, we give our children the roots to grow and the wings to fly. We catch them young, so come, grow, and take wings.